everyone. Oh no, lost an egg. No, my chicken's not ladies. Chicken duck's not ladies. Colored eggs. And we're colored. Bucko, which we have my neighbor's family, Johnson's family, delivered. Oh no, we lost an egg. Oh no, we're losing eggs. You want to see Bucko? Everyone loves Bucko. Bucko is the most famous duck here. Everybody's very excited for in 2 weeks when we have his babies coming along. So thinking I'm gonna be a grandpa. So that's pretty funny and exciting. Everyone's very excited. Oh no, everyone's very, very excited. These are some leftover duck eggs. I would give it to them. Chickens are in here with Oreo. Where's the brown duck at? Probably laying eggs underneath. Can't be made over this far. I'll put you in the tub real quick so you can get some water. Go in the tub. I'm trying to just keep them separate from all the other ducks. Chickens and them are fine. They'll get along. Excuse me, everybody. Excuse me. Any egg? Oh, we did get a brown egg. A fruit container. This is where Oreo normally hangs out. Down there. Yeah, they made a mess in here. I am probably changing out the stuff in here. This stuff's probably to go up where the raspberries are. I like to use it as kind of like a mulch kind of thing. So they really enjoy that. Let's start getting some eggs here. How's it gonna really work? Here you go, guys. You guys can eat them. Nice eggs, though. My Easter gift to them. Don't eat them all by the end of the day. So yeah, we got everyone here, guys. So it's kind of hard to do the eggs and record at the same time. So I'll record later. Probably Bucko comes over with my neighbors. So I'll take a video of that too, guys. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Happy Easter. I'll see you guys tonight. You'll probably get a little bit of storms too. So see how that goes. So any crazy happens, I will bring the camera back out, guys. So if you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. That's our Easter treat. They'll be bow pecking that all day. But now, guys, I gotta get Oreo into the tub. I get her foot soaked for an hour. I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday because I worked all day. But I'm just keeping her kind of away from everybody else. Sometimes bothers her. But she's getting better. She's eating better now. But her foot and her ankle and her hip are kind of not that good. So chickens and ducks are enjoying their Easter snack. I'm gonna go soak Oreo's leg for a little bit, and we'll see when famous Bucko visits some family members of our neighbors. So we'll see you guys then. Okay, ducks, time to go in. We got a little bit of rain. Bedtime. You gonna get Oreo back in her. Oh, hi, Oreo. What are you doing over here? Okay, Oreo, go in. That's not the right place. Come on, Oreo. Oh, there's a water container or a food container. Everyone there. Gotta move the water container out. Eventually, you gotta clean out in here. It's starting to get pretty messy. So, guys, happy Easter, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bucko took a lot of pictures today with other family members, and they came down, saw all the ducks too. So, everybody loves seeing all these guys. So, guys, celebrating Easter spirit with everybody else. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.